How to use your Car and Driver MinioPro Dash Cam. The Car and Driver MinioPro Dash Cam is the perfect way to record your routes, your speed, and position with GPS and photographic evidence. Product includes the camera, 8GB microSD card, power cord with a GPS module attached, USB car charger, an instruction manual, and 2 separate mounts, an adhesive mount and a suction mount. To install your MinioPro Dash Cam, start by inserting the microSD card into the port located on the bottom of the device. To mount the MinioPro, just slide the bottom arm piece of the camera into the mount socket. Use the lever to secure the mount on either the dashboard or the windshield. Plug one end of the power cord into the USB car charger. Plug the opposite end into the port on the bottom of the dash cam. The camera will turn on and begin recording as soon as it's plugged in. To install the GPS module, remove the sticker from the back of the GPS module and attach it to the windshield. Make sure the module is as far away from the camera as possible. Attach the cord around the frame of your car. To connect your Car and Driver MinioPro to the app, search for the Road Cover MinioPro in your phone's app store. Use the code provided in your manual to connect to the Wi-Fi source. Upon opening your app, click the Connect button to sync the app and the camera together. Your camera will be connected when the live feed is visible on the homepage. Use the menu on the bottom to navigate between the car cam, travel, the gallery, and your frequently asked questions page. Under the live feed, click the center button to capture footage. Click the video icon on the left side of the record button to access the car cam videos page. Here, you can organize footage saved on your camera's SD card by using the select button. The settings icon to the left of the record button holds all of the camera settings. Among these, you'll find the tools to change the gesture photography settings and the G-sensor settings. Here, you'll also be able to turn on the parking monitor feature, which allows the camera to turn on when it senses sudden movement when connected to power. You can also toggle the photography with video feature on and off, which will take a photo and save a 10-second video, the 5 seconds before and after you take the video. The voice feature is activated in the settings folder. If you return to the main screen and press the travel icon, you'll find your previous routes and GPS information is saved. Any photos or videos downloaded in the CarCam Videos folder will appear in the Gallery tab. You can organize your footage using the Select button. The final Me tab holds the Frequently Asked Questions page and the company information. To capture a photo with the device, wave your hand under the camera. A brief sound will let you know that your footage has been captured. With built-in loop recording, once the camera is recording, there will be no interruption to the recording process. Along with this feature, your Car and Driver MinioPro has night vision capabilities that will automatically adjust to various lighting conditions. And that's how you use the Car and Driver MinioPro Dash Cam. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can call 833-CAR-DASH, visit our website for live chat, or email us at support@cd-cams.com. We're here to help.